Okay, we know this is 240, right? 250 should be somewhere around here. 250 and 350. So they're asking you to find out this area between here and here. Right? So you are not going to have any negative sign because both the numbers, they are on the right side of the mean. So we will be calculating two z-scores. First z-score will be for 250. So we'll write z within parentheses 250 equal, it will be 250 minus 240 divided by 80. 250 minus 240, that's 10 divided by 80, and 10 divided by 80. We get 0.125. Yeah.
And the reason that 240 and 80 does not change is because that's the beginning
That's
of the
the
problem.
constant, because
Okay.
they are given to you already.
Correct.
Yes. That will
And
never change.
that info will always be given to us?
Yes.
Okay.
They will be always be given to you.
Okay.
Because you are dealing with a population of candidates who read that book or did the study.
And that,
So
the
how
one,
much?
the one that looks like a little U is a mean,
That's
right?
the mu.
How do you say it?
Mu.
Mu?
Mu.
Mu.
M-I-E. Mu.
And the other one is a
Is
standard?
Sigma.
Okay.
Remember, for sample we were writing X bar for mean. Since this is not a mean, that's why this is not a sample, that's why we are using that mean, population mean, and then population standard deviation, which is that sigma. Those two will always be given to you. Only thing, using those, you just calculate these z-scores. So first one, we will calculate the z-score for 250. From that z-score, what do we get? 0.125, am I right? Okay. So 0.125, let's look at this table, 0.1. Okay, why don't I do that? Since if you look at this table, we have 2 digits after the decimal point. So just let's stick with those 2 digits after the decimal point. So even though it came out to be 0.125, let's go with 0.12. So if we go with 0.12, 0.1 and 0.02. So the area is 0.0478, right? Okay. So Z 250 is 0.125. We cross that one out, and the area we get is 0.0478. Then we need the Z for 350. That will be 350 minus 240 divided by 8. 350 minus 240 is 110. So 110 divided by 8. We get 1.375. 1.375. Again, forget this one. So we are going to look for 1.37. So 1.3 down here and 1.3. We need to go to the right for 0.07. And what do we have? 0.4147, am I right? 0.4147. So now we have these 2 areas. Now look at this diagram. The first area from the z-score of 250, that gives you the area from the mean to this place. that gives you this area. Second z-score for 350, that gives you the area from the mean to this point here, the whole thing. So now there you go. Again, simple logic. Because this one is giving you this total area, but we don't need the total area. We just need this part. This one gave you this area. So all you do is subtract this one from this one. So what do we have? .3669, am I right? 0.3669. So it will be 36%. You are still lost?
No.
You are still lost, come on.
No.